There's a lot of adventure could be had with something like this. I'm gonna redo the interior of the topper, put the topper on, and it's gonna be our adventure rig. Smoking. It's hot. Oh, there's aluminum under there. Well, that's why.
Oh, this here piece goes around
that's
too.
all the way around. Oh well. Yeah.
Did you cut through the aluminum?
Yeah, a little bit. Totally off. Yep. It's that side too.
Yes, I don't know.
This thing's gonna be heavy, isn't it?
It ain't light.
Not yet. There, I think it is. All right. There's that. Safety first.
Yep. One more time.
Huh?
One more time.
I already got it on video, so I might as well get you throwing a Yosemite Sam fit.
Whatever. See how it goes. I think we'll call it a day. Stick around and hit that subscribe button so you can see what happens next with this project. Thanks for watching.